Hello everyone. So today we will learn how we can connect LaunchMyStore with Claude AI. So Claude can actually take over your store and do everything for you, even from your mobile device. You can use Claude to edit your themes. You can also add products, add new payment methods, newsletters, and whatnot. You can also manage orders on LaunchMyStore with Claude AI. So let's get started. So let's head over to store settings from the left sidebar, and from here we have to click on AI connector. Now we can see all the instructions to actually connect Launch My Store with your Claude subscription. So we can also connect Claude Code, Cursor, or even Open AI as well. So it has all the instructions available. So what I will do, I will just click on this and I will copy this URL and head back to Claude, and from here I will just click on settings and go to connectors and click on customize. Click on this plus icon, add connector, then add custom connector, and I will just name this cake store LMS and paste the URL that we have just copied from Launch My Store and just click on add. Great, it's now added. So now to connect Claude with Launch My Store, we just have to click on this connect button and it will take you to Launch My Store for the authorization. Once you complete that authorization, the cloud then will be connected to Launch My Store. So let's click connect. Great. Now we just have to click on authorize. Great. So now as we can see, Launch My Store is now connected with your cloud account. So you can do everything you like that is related to your store from your cloud dashboard. So I will just click on this plus icon for the new chat. Now I will just ask Claude to give me the details of my orders in the last 10 days. Give order details from Launch My Store from last 10 days, and it will just do it work. And now as you can see, it has actually given me all the details of the orders that I've actually got in the last 10 days, and everything for that order I can see it in on my screen only with Claude chat. It's great, isn't it? So we can use this to actually design our whole website as well directly from your Claude dashboard, and it will reflect directly on your Launch My Store website. Thank you. I hope you learned something with this tutorial, and I hope you are enjoying Launch My Store. Thank you.